welcome back to the Late Night Cooking Show, episode 3. Now, you might have noticed, Ben, you took a month off, and yes, I did, and I didn't explain that last episode because last episode was pre-recorded, which might be a bit of a problem. That's all right. This episode's not pre-recorded. Well, kind of is, but it isn't. So anyway, I was gone for a month because I got busy. Life gets busy. You know what happens, right? Like, it happens to the best of us. Anyway, so episode 2 was Casey, which I thought was kind of funny because it was episode 2 of season 1. So I decided, why not keep the trend going and have another season 1, actually episode 3 member come on. What are you doing? My boy, Austin, Boston, the Sawston Davidson.
What's up?
Don't be dumb, give on the thumb. Don't be dumb, give on the thumb to my mama. Don't be dumb, give on the thumb. You will always be so great. Going your own way.
That's it?
I mean, I got nothing else to say.
He's grown a little bit since the last time he was here, but
Yeah, I was a while.
just as
We had our suit last time.
we were, now we're... No, we gotta cut that out. Now we are... No, shh. I gotta bleep that. Anyway, I got a new hoodie. It's pretty cool. I might release them eventually. Probably not. And you are wearing some clothes. I'm glad you're wearing clothes, bro.
Thank you, bro.
It's a good day to be alive. Anyway, come. Today, what are we making for him, Austin?
German chocolate cake.
Show them.
Oh.
Just gotta say the name.
Perfectly moist German chocolate cake mix.
Ooh, doggy. Now, we got some cream cheese icing to go with that bad boy.
This is like the only good ice.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Yeah.
And so I'm gonna go and preheat the oven. I'm pretty sure it's 350 degrees. It is. See, I'm a baker, so I get used to this stuff after a while. Boom, already there. 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, and half a cup of vegetable oil.
I'm gonna open this.
Okay.
Can I juggle one?
What is this?
Can I juggle one?
Where are you going?
You
Oh,
opened it.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, sure, you can juggle. Wait, what? No! No, you cannot. Why did you open this stuff? It's okay.
You said open it.
Half a cup of vegetable oil and 1 cup of water. Spray the bottom. Okay, so where's the pan that my mom told me to use? Wait, actually, did she not get it out? Oh, dear.
No, it was the pans. Where's the pan? Nope.
It's down here.
No, she showed me up here.
She showed it to you?
Or like it's like that.
Yeah, it's right there. I see it. It's right there.
I don't know how this thing works. Oh, what'd I do?
Spray it. In there. Sides. Good stuff, Austin, Boston. All right.
That's a lot of stuff.
Oh my gosh. you
My
sprayed
bad,
a lot.
guys. I'm sorry. I ain't like no pro.
Okay, so now we got to go over here. We're going to keep that right there while the oven's still heating up. Take this mix over here. We got our 3 eggs, got our vegetable oil. Get this thing.
I'm cracking
Boom.
the egg.
Boom.
Did Miss Favor get this for you?
Oh, I got it. Okay.
Who got this for you? Did
Oh,
Miss
that was-
Favor? or something?
no.
Oh,
It was
Miss Favor
it was
gave
for
you
his
something.
Christmas gift from my
Oh.
mother.
Sweet.
Woo! Great job.
I put
What
them
are we doing?
I put mine in the sink.
What do you do with them after?
Grind them up.
Oh, we don't have a grinder.
Oh.
I don't think. Maybe. I don't know.
Ben, are we getting me?
What are
are we
you
doing? Dog, I'm about to start swinging, dog. I'm an egg merchant.
You're something. See how fast that was?
Yeah, but like, mine was efficient and yours wasn't. Or mine was tough and yours wasn't.
Mine was efficient, though.
I gotta wash my hands. I'm gonna get salmon or whatever. It's called.
Salmon?
The salmonellas.
Oh, salmonella? Is that
Yeah,
it? Salmonella?
I just use a lot
All right,
of
so
soap.
get this oil.
I'll let you get the oil. I don't resort to violence anymore. I'm a changed man.
No, you're not.
I'm a changed man.
No, you're not.
What?
Right.
Where's your napkins and paper
They're
towels?
right in front of you.
These paper towels?
There's paper towels under the sink.
Oh,
Why do you keep washing your hands?
I touched salmon. The salmon eggs or whatever.
Oh, the salmon eggs.
salmonella.
Half a cup of water.
That's half a cup.
Half a cup of water.
You just put water. in there.
Boom.
Oh, that's
And now we go for the mix, right? Yes. It's pretty simple, guys. You can get some different angles. Yeah, I'm about to say. There you go. She's locked right now. It smells really good. Give it a whiff.
definitely good.
Smells awesome. You want a whiff? Okay. Gosh. So that all goes
Oh, wait,
in
does
there.
this like turn and you can mix it?
What are you doing? You just asked, is that how you mix it?
Like you turn this on or is it automatically from the bottom?
I'll turn it on. Just you sit there and look pretty.
Thank you. I will.
Don't do it super fast. It didn't work. Why is it not working?
I broke it.
All right. It says, I forgot you're short. It says to bake at medium speed. My bad, Abby. For 2 minutes. Medium speed. For 2 minutes. So we'll see you in 2 minutes. All right, so it's been about 2 minutes.
It's not even
I'm
moving.
gonna go and turn that off. It smells delicious. What are you doing? All right, so where's the box? Did you throw the box away?
I didn't touch the box.
You threw the box away. Instant replay right here. It probably shows it too.
Okay, bet.
It probably shows you throwing it away.
You threw it away.
I did not throw this away.
I'll put money you threw it away.
Okay. You get me a paper towel from under the sink. All right, let's get the pan from over here.
Let's get the pan.
We pour it down the middle, don't we? No, that would equal nothing. Yeah, that would not be a good idea.
Ben,
That sounds
I don't know
weird.
if this is the cake.
What else would this be? It's not chunky. Look at that. No, that is not.
Ben, I think we should mix it for like 2 more minutes.
No, that's not chunky. It's fine.
Ben? I'm not failing like Casey. I flamed Casey for failing.
Yeah, you're not failing though. Look at this camera.
Guess it's cream cheese. I got this, so lock in.
So now you're gonna. Where's the box? It doesn't say anything about being a bun. Oh, yes, it does. 30. My mom said this would be quicker, but this is literally the slowest option. Donut.
That's my word. Bro, that's my word.
Bagel.
Thank you.
We'll see you in 30 minutes. All right, come on.
You have to do the camera thing. Boom.
That's what I did, buddy. Oh.
What? Look good?
Looks like a cake. That shit looks good. Yo.
Yo.
So, all right. Let's
How do we get it out of here?
Why did it open so fast?
We got a little, like a little.
You want to do the honors?
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Hopefully we didn't mess up like Casey did.
Yeah, Casey sucks.
This was pretty soft.
That looks done. Get like over here or something. Get over here.
Mmm.
Cool. It's done.
It's soft.
All right.
It's really soft.
Let's see how long it says to let it cool. Well, on a wire rack for 15 minutes. So we'll be back in 15 minutes.
Right. How do you get it out?
You flip it. And I'm good at that. All right. So we're gonna smear the icing. I don't know where the smear thingies are. It's like some sort of knife, I think, but maybe it's in here. Now, okay, we're gonna use this thing. We're gonna use that.
Or this thing.
Why would we use
Chopsticks.
chopsticks?
I'm a chopstick merchant, dog.
Are you?
No.
Open the frosting for him.
Yeah, you gotta flip the cake.
Oh yeah. I gotta take out the cake.
Hey, Ben, can we not be
Flip
a
it. 3,
2,
2.
1.
I'm kind of scared. Flip it. 3, 2.
So you just beat it. Oh wow! Look at that. That's like buoyant, dog.
Casey could never.
That's what I was about to say.
All right. So,
Yo, Ben, are you gonna like?
All right. Now you can go and frost. I'll let you frost the
I
cake.
don't know how to frost, dog. I know, but like, it won't smear.
Well, get some more then, and just put it in clumps.
I'm gonna put you in clumps. Yeah. Alright, I'm cutting it. You know, I don't want to cut it. You cut it. I'm scared.
All right. You said you're scared to cut it?
Scared.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm really excited to try this.
Oof. Oof.
Mmm.
Yum.
All right. So, you got any final words?
No. Thanks.
You're welcome, buddy.
Show.
And driving you around and stuff.
Yeah, but I also did pay for a meal.
You did. Or your parents did.
My parents, bro.
I left tip.
I left like $3.
Let's go. That's good. Shout out Germans, bro. They know what they're doing with their chocolate cake.
Oh, it's
Wow.
moist too.
It is moist.
Better than the pink cake.
It's right up there.
Mm.
The perfectly moist strawberry supreme. Oh, It said perfectly moist German cake, didn't it? Okay, that makes sense why it's moist. Perfect combination with this, by the way, is Buffalo Wild Wing sweet tea. Tastes pretty good with it. So, Austin, appreciate you coming on. Cake was good. I had a good time with you.
Mm-hmm.
You got any other final words? No. I'm gonna do the outro here. You got any final words?
You cheated. You did pick and roll and you won the game.
Yeah, well.
We went to overtime.
Uh-huh.
Haven't played the game in 8 years.
Mm-hmm.
Should have beat you.
Mm-hmm.
Did a pick and roll.
Well, right now they're watching the clips of me cooking you right now. That is currently what they're viewing. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. Austin here, he's a sore little loser, but that's all right. And I'll see you in episode 4 of the Late Night Cooking Show.